Okay, so I'm running my Kali Linux inside my VirtualBox, and the default value for the ID password is Kali Kali. Okay, so everyone is using that. But what if I want to change it? All right, because for whatever reason, well, the easiest way is to use the terminal. All right, so you can see the terminal over here. Okay, so go into the terminal. You should already be the super user. All right, because when you log in as Kali Kali, you are already the super user. Okay? So you can run the password command. All right, but just take note the way they spell password is PASSWD, right? Not the whole word password. And they will ask you to change the password for this user, which in this case Kali, but they will need your current password. So just type in the current password, hit enter, and they will ask you for the new password. Okay, I am going to type a very short password. Okay, see what happened. Retype. They tell me that I need to choose a longer password. Okay, so let's say now I do a proper one. I do a longer password, and I need to retype, and you will see password updated immediately. So now you'll be using your new password. All right, so pretty simple. Okay, not complex. So if you want to change the password inside the lab for your own use, this is how to do it.